Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the right rear induction coil in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the main top. With the screws unthreaded, pull the main top forward to fully remove. Note the hole locations where the old induction coil retaining clips are inserted into. Detach the coil and move it out of the way. You will need to mark the hole locations for the right front induction coil as well, and detach it to access the rear coil power wire screws. Note the orientation of the wires, then use the T20 Torx bit to loosen the screws to release the power wires. Disconnect the sensor wire from the control module, and you can fully remove the old coil. To install the new induction coil, first connect the sensor wire to the control module. Slide the power wires under the appropriate screws, then tighten the screws to secure the wires. Now align the retaining clips with the appropriate holes in the brackets and snap the new coil assembly into position. Reposition the front induction coil as well. Reinstall the main top by aligning the sides under the front support bracket. Then carefully slide the top back, pressing the induction coils down as you do this. With the top in place, thread the 3 screws in front to fully secure it. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the induction range should be ready for use.